Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can create a free Epic Games account so you can play Fortnite amongst a bunch of other games. Now let's get straight into it, and the first thing we need to do is head over to an internet browser. From your internet browser, we just need to come over to the address bar and we're going to type in epicgames.com and hit enter. Now in the top right of this website, you'll see this option for sign in, so just go ahead and select that. And if you already have an account, then we can just sign in here. Otherwise, we need to scroll down and select create account. Now, the first thing we're going to do is just enter your date of birth. So I'm going to fill in these fields quickly here and press continue. Now from here, we just need to select our country of residence. Then you're going to type in your email address. Now it's important to enter the correct email here as it will send you a verification code. Then you're just going to type in your first name and last name. Enter the display name that you want to use for your Epic Games account. And then go ahead and just create a password. Now you can choose to receive offers and surveys and things like that from Epic Games. I'm going to leave this unchecked. And then just go ahead and tick I have read and agreed to the terms of service. And finally, we can come down to this button here and press continue. Now what you need to do is head over to your email account and we just need to get this verification code. So here is my verification code here. So I'm just going to copy this and come back over to Epic Games. And if you can't find the verification code in your main inbox, you could always try in your spam folder and then just go ahead and press a verify email. And it's as simple as that, guys. Now we've created an Epic Games account so we can go ahead and play things like Fortnite amongst loads of other games. If you did find this video useful, then please consider dropping a like and subscribing. Until next time.